Big Hurtem. So y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. What it do, big baby? Yeah, it's that boy Big Hurt back once again in the kitchen with a new video. But it's not a how-to today. It's just a daily vlog, you know what I'm saying? I'm throwing a little meat on the pit. So I thought I'd bring y'all along with me. So let me show y'all what I got today. I got me some good old thick pork chops. I got them marinated in some garlic and herb marinade. Lightly seasoned them with some Creole seasoning. And I got these chicken wings. They lightly seasoned with the Creole season also and black pepper. And I got them marinating in some Italian dressing. And they've been marinating for about 2.5 hours now. Finna get ready to throw them on this pit. I got some of them good old down home sausage. So I'm just gonna bring y'all along today and show y'all how I get down. I got for a side dish, I'm gonna do some shepherd's pie. So we got chicken wings, got pork chops, got smoked sausage, and some shepherd's pie. So we'll be back in a little minute. Show y'all what we got going. Yeah. Y'all come on with me. We go out to the pit. Check on our food. Got here. We'll get the right tip. Some sausages. Ooh, they looking pretty. And these old pork chops. No, they ain't done yet. We're just trying to flip. Things flipped over. Yes, sir. Y'all see them grill marks? Real good on this end, close by the fire. Might have to switch them up. Move some of them over here. Yeah. Look at them move sausage. Yes, sir. We'll be back again shortly. We got my potatoes over here. Got them all peeled up. Get them washed up, getting ready to start this shepherd's pie. Indeed. Got my ground meat over here. I got it started. I'm gonna chop this onion up, get that in my ground meat before it get too far along. You got them chicken wings on marinade, so they done been there for about an hour now while my pork chops on the grill. They gonna be good. You know, I done tasted a little piece of that pork chop, one that was done, and it's good. I'm finna get ready to pull them off in a little bit. As soon as I get this onion chopped up in this ground meat. Be back in a little bit, y'all. Yeah. These old pork chops are done. Yeah, let's go ahead and get these off of here. Look at that, y'all. Yeah. Nice and juicy. Yes, sir. I'm finna add some more apple wood pellets to it. Finna throw this chicken on. I'm gonna let them smoke sausage. I'm gonna let them go the whole time. Just let them keep getting smoked. They way over here to the side, so they ain't gonna get hurt. Yeah. Let them stay over there in the corner and chill. Finna go get this chicken throw on. Be back with y'all in a little bit. Got them chicken wings on there now, dog. Them down home, steady smoking. Yeah. And if y'all haven't already, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Got those potatoes on ball. Yeah. Jordan, what you looking at? What you looking at? House of Pain. You did your homework today? I mean, your schoolwork? Say what's up, YouTube. Shop the shout out.
Y'all go subscribe to my channel, RCB.Jordan channel. I be posting videos on there, and I'm gonna have some more videos coming soon.
RCB.Jordan. Y'all hit him up. Go give him a subscribe. Go House of Pain. Ain't that what this called? House of Pain? You ready for the food to get done? Me too. Be back after a while, y'all. Yeah. And voila, y'all. Got that shepherd's pie done. Yeah. Let's go out here and check on I just sent my son out here. Flip these chicken wings for me. Let's see how they look. Come on, Lucy. Come on. You know what you're doing? Just a vlog day.
This time, make sure they cook all the way through.
Oh, I always do that. I need to drop a little heat. Turn the heat up a notch, cause they ain't cooking. They should be almost done now. The ones over there, yeah. They was over here close by the fire first, that's why they dark. But they not burnt, they just a little charred on one side. Oh, he up, well, he don't see us. Let me drop a little more wood on this fire. Some of these apple pellets. Be back with y'all later. Man, I ain't got hungry. I couldn't wait on them chicken wings to finish. So I got me old pork chops, some of this shepherd's pie. I'm finna go in. Yeah. Here go the finished product, y'all. I got my smoked sausage, my pork chop, my shepherd's pie, and my chicken wings. Yeah. So actually this the next day, and I done fixed me a place to take to work with me for lunch. So yeah, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. This was just a vlog, just showing random stuff I was cooking today or yesterday. Y'all get it. But anyway, big hurt on the chick out. Yeah.